Hey guys, Titano here, and here with Connor Shea.
Hello.
And today we're going to be doing a Let's Race number 2. So, first things first, the winner will win some goldfish. I mean, like, everyone loves goldfish, so, yeah. And then, the events today we will have is, first we're starting off with 2x2, I think. Should we do that? 2x2, and Pyraminx, Scube, and 3x3. So, oh, random dog. Well, yeah, let's get right to it. All right, we are back, and of course, the first event is 2x2. So, yep. Connor's doing his hair, of course. All right, so his main will be some Mofang,
Diane.
No. We're starting with 2x2. Maybe your Mofang 2x2. It's broken, but mine is the Sheedy. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but you get the point. You guys are not going to see our faces, so deal with it. Alright, so let's just mix them up.
I mixed mine up already.
You already did? I'm mixing mine up. Okay, I'm just mixing it up. Nope. I'm trying to make sure there's no... Okay. Inspection time, 3, 2, 1, and inspection time starts. Sorry about the background noise. Ready?
Yep.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, no. I can't lose 2. I can't lose 2x2. 2x2 is my life.
Yeah. You literally do it every time you can.
Done.
I'm not done, so.
Proof. Finished. Finito.
I'm not really good at 2x2.
That's alright, everybody. But the winner gets goldfish.
You're gonna win, Sandy, because I suck at.
And this is not sponsored by Goldfish. So, I mean Pepperidge Farm. This isn't sponsored.
Oh, darn it, I've mixed up an algorithm. You're actually seeing in the middle.
Guys, I just got the 1x1 Pyraminx. It's so cool. Oh, no, don't look at that side. It's a 1x1 Pyraminx. See? I mean, it's also, you can make your own 1x1 Pyraminx by taking a tip off a Pyraminx. I mean, one side will be black, but that's okay.
Sorry, I'm taking so long, guys. I just messed up on almost everything on this.
Oh, we get.
I suck.
Okay, the cutoff will be in about, I'd say.
I'm done.
Oh, okay, good. 2x2 done. Next event is Pyraminx. So mix up your Pyraminx.
Done.
All right. Wow, you are way ahead of me. Sorry about this.
I've mixed up all my cubes except for my 2x2.
You're probably gonna win at Pyraminx. But
no, you are.
Okay, you ready? I've already done inspecting. I don't really inspect Pyraminx. 3, 2, 1, and
oh, sorry.
I would give you DNF, but you're my brother. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. No. Yes, I have learned how to solve Pyraminx, by the way, so you're probably wondering, wait, he doesn't know how to solve a Pyraminx? Well, yes, I do, actually. I just learned yesterday. No, I don't. Oh, yes.
Done.
That was a tie! Oh my god, I finished right when you finished. Like the
so that's one for both of us.
Okay, so I
1.
have 1 point for, so I have 1, and now you have 1 and I have 2, right? So I'm winning right now.
Yeah.
Okay, Scube. Let's do this.
You're gonna win anyway.
Let me just mix mine up quickly.
And if it's a tie, we're gonna do the finals.
Yep.
The miniature cube.
Oh god, no. All right, I finished mixing it up. You ready? Ready to start?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, begin. I'll give you a second there because I started before I said that. Sorry. Oh, this is weird. This is like weird solving it this way. Come on, Sandy. I mean, Titano. You heard nothing. Okay. Okay, so that's so I have 2 right now, right? You have 1. I have 3 now.
Yeah, and
Okay.
I have 1.
Well, I guess I'm winning. He's probably gonna win 3x3. Okay, 3x3 will be worth 2 points. Okay.
Wait a second. How many have you won? This one. I won 1. Wait.
I'll give you Pyraminx. So I won 2.
Wait.
You've won 1. So
Okay.
2, 1. Okay, let's do that. 3x3. I'm not using this cube. I'm using a better 3x3.
Warning, you have to use a lot of muscle.
May not be in here. Doesn't look like it's in here. Oh, I guess I'm using a transparent one then.
It's easy to see through one.
And we mix it up. It's still on like the first layer completed. Okay, inspection time starts. 3, 2, 1, inspect. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. And sorry, I just need a second to inspect again. Go. Whoever wins this will win. It's so hard to solve like this. I don't like it. Ugh. Okay, this is just a really hard way to solve. I'm just not used to it one bit. Ugh. Ugh. This is exhausting to solve like this. I hate it. I would rather solve my normal... Oh, come on, he's on the last layer. This is not fair. Actually, it is fair, but whatever. Oh, and something seems to be wrong. Wait, what? I don't know. No, I didn't even notice. Oh, nothing's wrong at all. Oh, I thought a piece fell out or something. No. No, please.
Done.
Oh, darn it.
Tie. We have to do miniature cube.
Ugh. Oh, come on. Oh, but that takes 10 minutes. We don't have that time. Rock, paper, scissors can settle this.
You're gonna win.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Darn it! I suck at everything.
It's alright, buddy. You won last time. Remember, you got those cool shades. Well, you know,
No.
this one will be fair. We both won the goldfish.
No, you win.
We're sharing.
You won. No, God, no.
Okay, we're sharing the goldfish. I eat one. Oh. And you eat one. Hey, get all my cubes. Oops.
Oh,
Oh my God. Okay, so that was Let's Race 2. Hope you enjoyed the video, and
be sure to cube forever.
yeah, cubing is life.
Wrong!
Yeah, okay, I think we should just leave now.